When we first opened the Winchester rink, my mom and dad were living there. And I don't know why, but I got discouraged and went down in the city to work with Steve. One of the guys let me drive his pickup truck, and we pulled in to a 7-Eleven. It was real crowded, and when I was trying to get out, I had to back out into the highway. So while I was waiting for the traffic to clear up, as soon as it did, I give it the gas and whipped the car around, and the driver's side door slammed right into a fire hydrant. And I thought, what in the world was that? And I tried to open the door, but it wouldn't. I caved in the driver's side door. But then I had to take this guy's truck back to him. And I said, oh well, here's your truck. Sorry about that. And that guy, the bank ended up repossessing his truck. And he never did get it fixed. His name was Greg Kitzmiller. Sorry, Greg.